G'day. Just thought I'd do a really quick video just showing a little bit about the Franke tap and sink that I bought. Purely because there was nothing else on YouTube about this and reviews are hard to come by. I guess all in all, just wanted to say that like I've been pretty happy with this Franke quality. I don't know how he's meant to say it, Franke. But look, it's been great. We installed a separate filter as well, so we've got a bit of a low stream on the cold and much more on the hot. Really happy with the spray component, the pull out feature, like big time. Really appreciate it, going from just a crappy regular tap that was 15 years old to this. It's really helpful. Really gets down into where you need to be going. Also noted that like it comes out of the spray, but as soon as you turn it off, this will fire back up and go back to regular. But yeah, this little thing, I mean, it's $100. Love it. So I mean, it's like a little bit tight for this particular sink, but it works great. Like I really like it. It's awesome for when you're like just washing things up, and you don't need to have the whole. Whoops. See, as I said, it doesn't completely fit. 1 sec. Get back here, you bastard. But I would definitely buy that again. See how it's like just. It works. It's just that if you fuck around with it, it'll fall down. But I love it. And if you want to get out of the way, just put it like that, and you can roll that thing up. You just get it out of the way if you want. You don't have to always, have it sitting there. So look, I really like that. Even if you're not going to get the Franke tap and sink or whatever, I bloody rate that thing. It's awesome. Yeah, look, it's great. I mean, it did come with one of those filter, what do you call those things, so you don't get food stuck in the bottom. But I just got a bit sick of cleaning it out. Frankly, we just stuff things down the hole. Get down in there. I did know that. Yeah, look, it did scratch up quite easily when I first started using the sink. I mean, maybe there's an alternative there. Maybe if you want to put down a silicone thing, that could help prevent that. I mean, to be honest, I don't particularly care. I mean, it's a sink, it's made to be used. So, I mean, I think it was like $500 for the sink itself. And, geez, I think the tap was quite expensive. I think it was like $600 or $700. But look, I rate it. I really rate it. No regrets whatsoever. Could you get away with something cheaper? Yeah, sure. As I said, this video is for those who are interested in this tap, who haven't had a chance to see anything online, because there really is fuck all online. But yeah, go for it. It's great.